Secrets of Airbnb. How to save big with an Airbnb coupon and start your own profitable venture. What is Airbnb? When it comes to finding accommodation for your next vacation or business trip, you may have come across the term Airbnb quite often. But what exactly does Airbnb mean? Well, let me break it down for you. Airbnb is an online marketplace that connects travelers with hosts who are looking to rent out their properties. It offers a unique alternative to traditional hotels, allowing you to stay in someone's home and experience a destination like a local. The concept behind Airbnb. The concept behind Airbnb is simple yet revolutionary. Instead of staying in a hotel, you can choose from a wide range of accommodations such as apartments, houses, villas, or even treehouses, all listed on the Airbnb platform. This not only provides you with more options in terms of location and amenities, but also gives you the opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture and experience a destination from a different perspective. How does Airbnb work? Using Airbnb is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you need to sign up for an account on the Airbnb website or mobile app. Once you're signed up, you can start searching for accommodations in your desired destination. You can filter your search based on criteria such as location, price range, and amenities. Once you've found a listing that suits your needs, you can book it instantly or send a message to the host to inquire about availability or ask any questions you may have. Benefits of using Airbnb. There are several benefits to using Airbnb for your accommodation needs. Firstly, it offers a wider range of options compared to traditional hotels. Whether you're looking for a cozy apartment in the heart of the city or a spacious villa with a pool, Airbnb has got you covered. Secondly, staying in an Airbnb property allows you to live like a local and experience a destination in a more authentic way. You can get insider tips from your host and discover hidden gems that you might not find in a guidebook. Lastly, Airbnb can often be more cost-effective than staying in a hotel, especially if you're traveling with a group or planning an extended stay. Understanding the Airbnb coupon system. Now that you're familiar with the concept and benefits of Airbnb, let's dive into the secrets of saving big with an Airbnb coupon. Airbnb offers a coupon system that allows you to get discounts on your bookings. These coupons can be in the form of a monetary value or a percentage off the total booking cost. They are usually available for first-time users or as promotional offers from Airbnb or its partners. How to find and use Airbnb coupons. Finding Airbnb coupons is fairly easy. You can start by searching online for websites or blogs that specialize in sharing coupon codes. These websites often have a dedicated section for Airbnb coupons, where you can find the latest and most up-to-date offers. Another way to get Airbnb coupons is by signing up for the Airbnb newsletter or following their social media accounts. They often run special promotions or share exclusive coupon codes with their followers. Once you have found an Airbnb coupon, using it is a breeze. When you're ready to make a booking, simply enter the coupon code during the checkout process. The discount will be applied automatically, and you'll see the updated total cost before completing your reservation. It's important to note that each coupon has its own terms and conditions, so make sure to read them carefully to understand any restrictions or limitations that may apply. Tips for saving big with an Airbnb coupon. Now that you know how to find and use Airbnb coupons, let me share some insider tips on how to save even more. Firstly, be flexible with your travel dates. Airbnb hosts often offer discounted rates for last-minute bookings or for off-peak periods. By being open to different dates, you can take advantage of these lower prices. Secondly, consider booking longer stays. Many hosts offer weekly or monthly discounts, so if you're planning an extended vacation or business trip, you can save a significant amount by booking a longer stay. Lastly, don't be afraid to negotiate. If you're planning to stay for an extended period, or if you're traveling with a large group, you can try contacting the host directly and asking if they can offer any additional discounts. Starting your own profitable venture with Airbnb. Now that you've learned how to save big with an Airbnb coupon, let's explore how you can turn your own property into a profitable venture by becoming an Airbnb host. Hosting on Airbnb can be a great way to generate extra income, especially if you have a spare room or property that you're not using. Here are the steps to get started. Prepare your space. Before listing your property on Airbnb, make sure it's clean, well-maintained, and ready to welcome guests. Take high-quality photos of the space and highlight its unique features to attract potential guests. Create a compelling listing. Write a detailed and engaging description of your property, highlighting its amenities, location, and any special features. Be honest and accurate in your description to ensure that guests know what to expect. Set your price. Research similar listings in your area to get an idea of the market rates. You can adjust your price based on factors such as location, seasonality, and demand. It's also a good idea to offer competitive rates when you're just starting to attract guests. Manage your availability. Decide on the availability of your property and keep your calendar up to date. You can choose to rent it out all year round or only during specific periods. Consider blocking off dates when you'll be using the property yourself, or when you need time to prepare for new guests. Maximizing your earnings as an Airbnb host. Once you've become an Airbnb host, there are several strategies you can implement to maximize your earnings. Provide exceptional hospitality. Guests value a positive and welcoming experience. Make sure to respond promptly to inquiries and be available to assist your guests during their stay. Providing little extras like a welcome basket or local recommendations can go a long way in earning positive reviews and repeat bookings. Optimize your listing. Continuously monitor and update your listing to improve its visibility and attract more guests. Make sure your listing has accurate and comprehensive information, and consider adding attractive photos or offering additional amenities to make your property stand out. Price competitively. Keep an eye on the market rates and adjust your pricing accordingly. Offering discounts for longer stays or during slow periods can help attract more bookings and increase your occupancy rate. Build a strong reputation. Positive reviews and a high rating are essential for attracting new guests. Make sure to provide a memorable experience for your guests and encourage them to leave reviews after their stay. Responding to reviews, whether positive or negative, shows that you value guest feedback and are committed to providing a great experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, Airbnb is a game changer when it comes to finding accommodation that offers a unique and authentic experience. By understanding how Airbnb works and utilizing the coupon system, you can save big on your bookings and make the most of your travel budget. Additionally, becoming an Airbnb host can be a lucrative venture, allowing you to monetize your property and provide a memorable experience for guests. Whether you're a traveler looking for a great deal or someone looking to start their own profitable venture, Airbnb has something to offer for everyone. So go ahead, unlock the secrets of Airbnb and embark on your next adventure with Airbnb. Secrets of Airbnb. How to save big with an Airbnb coupon and start your own profitable venture.